when you get a new skill, specifically for my community, my recommendation is that you do not upload it to your account, but that you really focus on opening it in a project so you can learn what the skill does and decide if it's a good fit for your entire brand. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use ChatGPT, but the setup is pretty much the same over in Claude. I'm going to go to projects and I'm going to create a new project, and then I'm going to name it the title of the project that I am going to be focusing on. So this one is called the 5-Angle Studio. And then I'm going to select create a project. And then I'm going to download my zip file that I got from my account. And here it is. It's in my downloads folder. I just want to show you what that looks like. And then I'm actually going to extract. So this is a zip folder. That's what it's in. But I'm going to use this extract all. And then I'm going to extract all the folders. And then this is the folder that I'm going to be able to work with. Okay. So make sure you extract all the files from the folder. Then I'm going to pull in certain information and put it in very specific parts of our project. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this one that says paste into project. I'm actually going to open these up in my notepad. Here's my notepad. And then I'm going to select Control A. I'm going to copy these instructions. And I just want you to notice, like, it even says paste into project, right? So then I'm going to hit these 3 dots. I'm going to go to project settings. And then where it says instructions, I'm going to paste those instructions right there. And then I'm going to hit save. Okay. The next thing I want to do is I want to add the references as sources. So I'm going to hit the source button here. And then I am going to go to references. And then this one only has 1 file. Some of your references will have multiple files. And so then I will add that reference there. And then when I start a chat, I'm just going to say the word begin. And what that will do is it'll actually trigger to tell you exactly what this specific skill can do and give you some options on where you want to start. Now, when you are in the project, let's say you start a new chat, you can do begin again, and it will refire for you, or it'll show you the steps. Now, if you are in a new chat, let me show you this, and I was to write begin, then nothing's going to happen. What are we building today? That is because all of those instructions, all of the references, all of the information is here in the project settings. So it's either in the instructions here or it's in the sources. Okay, that's important. Check out the skill first, and then when you're ready, if you want to upload it to your entire account, you will have it, and all you have to do is describe what you need, and it'll give you what you need.